Can2 in the left, Flacco in the right. Can2. B-Rad in the left lane, Disco Dean in the right lane.
Okay, now this is a small tire car versus a small tire car for the first time on Locals Only.
That's right. Texas, it's a small tire.
Now, whoa, I just heard someone yell something over there. A heads up? Does Texas want to see a heads up race? I'm just curious, let's see. Well, Texas likes to see a heads up race. Heads up, I get the hit.
That's pretty good, Boosted. That's a pretty good deal. That's pretty good. Yeah. All right, I tell you what. If you want the hit, you can take your hit back there in the burnout box. If you want to do all that. Over to Boosted. Boosted. No, all right, you know what? All right, we'll go heads up. You give me lane choice. Let's lock this.
No, you get lane choice. Heads up, no. Boosted gets lane choice.
No, that is not fair. That is fair.
No, you get lane choice, and you leave when you see me.
When I see you, if I can look over and see you and leave. We need to clarify.
No, it looks off of the tree. I get the hit.
You can't get the hit, man. Come on. You gotta give me a reason why I should get the hit. I have a 3,400-pound street car. I ain't made a hit all day. I'm only tired. I'm on 28. You might be on 29. I don't know what's like.
Nervous over here.
But, I don't see no reason why you should get any type of advantage. Look, I've already said, heads up. I just give me lane choice and we'll do it. Lock this in.
You're gonna give him lane choice? You're gonna give him lane choice?
Give me the hit, you get lane choice.
Pretty good. That's a counter. That's a good counter.
The crowd wants to see a heads-up race. I don't know, man.
You get lane choice?
What do you got, Texas? Heads up.
Heads up. I'm coming off the trailer. I have no data on this track. I have no idea what it's going to do. I might knock the tire off that way.
That's true. That's true. Boosted does have a disadvantage. You've been racing all day. You know this surface. Boosted has no passes here.
I'll tell you what. What if I go off the foot brake? That's
like that. Yes, sir.
That's a good. I'll spool up on the foot brake.
You're kidding. Listen, we don't know this.
I'm gonna spool up on the foot brake.
You're gonna foot brake it.
Most people use bump boxes.
No trans brake.
I'm gonna use my bump box. I'll use my foot brake. Yo, turbo car has to have a bump box. I'm not gonna use that.
What do you know about that?
But you know, a bump box is all doing this stuff. You can tell if I use it.
You won't use a bump box. You just foot brake it.
Just foot brake. Foot brake.
That's bullshit. He has a two-step look. This is small tire on small tire crime right here.
Hey man, this guy wants the world. I don't understand. This guy wants the world. I'm gonna put him on a silver platter. Like I said, heads up.
what are we gonna do, man? We're in a stalemate here. What do you want? Give me dude, you're going up against Boosted GT, right?
You need to give something.
With no
Give
passes.
some Boosted.
He's got no passes
He
here.
is a friendly.
Asian, you look at me.
Okay, you're
He's got no passes. He has many passes.
first time I know. Yeah, you're down, cylinder.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna say. Final offer, and then I say we let the fans decide if we can't come to an agreement.
Let's hear all.
Heads up, and we'll flip for lanes like a man. That's how a drag race is done, and that's what we'll do.
Oh, Texas likes that. What do you want? Flip a coin for lane choice. Heads up race. They like it.
Lock it up. There we go for $5 grand. Boosted GT versus Dylan.
All right.
Things right now and get this over with.
Well, who drove the furthest? You know how this works.
I'm a nice guy, he can call it. Go ahead.
Okay. This is the coin. It's a farm truck coin. Front of the farm truck. Heads. Back of the farm truck. Heads. Yep. Ball in the air.
That's definitely a Karen over there. That's definitely a Karen.
Hey, it's tails.
Guy with a raising hell.
Let me take a look at it real quick, I'll let you know. I'll tell you what, whatever lane I go in, you go in the other way. How about that? I don't need your expert opinion because I done heard your negotiations and they're not very good.
All right, dude. Get suited and booted. You get ready, dude. He doesn't even know what he's doing. He's been out here talking the whole time.
Dude, it's been a while since he's raced, right? You do have the upper hand here, right?
You feel like the car's good, has made clean hits, you got no problem, you got data, you very well can put him on the track.
What do you think?
Who's going to take right lane? Yep, lock it up.
All right.
Good job, guys.
Here want to go. They're going to get suited and booted. We're going to see a heads-up small tire race with the hometown hero versus a real street outlaw in a small tire car for the first time in the history of locals only.
It's still Texas versus Texas.